Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Valentin Dish. People in the state are wondering why there is a go-slow attitude on the Asagaon house demolition case. There were promises to begin house repair work in 3 days and also arrest the 15 bouncers and bring Pooja Sharma back to Goa. In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV asks concerned citizens, is there a need for the government to clear its stand on the Asagaon house demolition case?
But now suddenly when those people have taken a U-turn, saying that they are not interested in anything, they are managing the house will be built by themselves. The humanitarian angle that the Chief Minister had taken very consciously, which was appreciated by the people of Goa and had to be appreciated, has now suddenly taken another turn. The human angle has gone away. And the Chief Minister is silent. Now the question is, the criminal angle remains. And what is the major criminal angle? The major criminal angle is his officers have been suspended for dereliction of duties. Now the question is, the officer who has been suspended has pointed finger to the top boss. And there were rumors with the Chief Minister silent saying that particular officer to whom the fingers have been pointed at the topmost level is likely to be transferred.
शकता लोकांचेर दादागिरी करपाक सरकारान बॉन्सर्स म्हणटा ते यूज करपाक पाबंदी घालपाक जायी आनी आयज हेचेर एक बरो कायदो हाडपाक जावो नाजाल्यार भायले लोक येतले दिल्ली हरियाणा राजस्थानचे आनी अशेच बॉन्सर घेतले आनी गोंयकारांक मारतले बडयतले आनी हेच्या पयलीं असले केसीस आमी पळयले. सो आमचो गोंयचो CM होम मिनिस्टर तेजे कडेन हांव एक रिक्वेस्ट करता, हे जे बाउन्सर कितें दादले आनी बायलां सुद्दां जी बाउन्सर आहा तांकां जे मिसयूज करून आयज दादागिरी करता खबर आहा तुका, ही बंद जावपाक जाय. तेंचेर एक कडक कायदो येवपाक जायो जेणे करून बाउन्सर म्हणटा तो कोणाचें हावस डेमोलिशन, कोणाक मारपाक, कोणाक किडनॅप करपाक अशें यूज जावपाक जायना. कितें आयज दिन दहाडे हे बाउन्सर म्हणटात न्हू, कितें ते आयज हे क्रायम्स करपाक लागले आनी आमचे गोवा पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट पळोवपाक लागला.
हेचेर कारवाय जावपाक जाय. हे कित्याक लागून मारले, तेचेर कोणें दबाव घातला, कोण इन्वॉल्व आहा ते आमकां तेणें दाखोवपाक जाय. ही गरज आहा, ना तर हेच्या फुडें ह्यो जायत्यो केसी जातल्यो आनी ह्यो पालोवन वयतल्यो. आमकां गोंयकारांक ग्रांटेड घेतल्या आनी हेच्या फुडें आमी गोंयकार म्हणलें कांय उरचें ना. तुम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम दिल्ली से पावर लाते हैं, हें जातलें.
12 days after the daring Agarwadikar's house demolition at Asagaon, nothing seems to have been done to repair their house. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant had declared on the spot that the house repair would begin in 3 days. He also warned that the 15 bouncers would be arrested and Pooja Sharma would be brought back from Mumbai if required. He also said that he would brief the press on the DGP's transfer issue. However, very little seems to have happened on this front. The government is also silent on the Chief Secretary's report.
एक गजाल मुद्दामून सांगता, तांचे जे घर मोडलां हे पुराय जशें आसलें पळय न्ही त्या पद्दतीत सरकार ताका तशें बांदून दितलो आनी सगळो खर्च ज्याने मोडला ताज्या कडल्यान रिकवरी करतलो. म्हणजे फक्त सरकार बांदचें ना, सगळो A to Z जितको खर्च लागता सरकाराक तितकोय खर्च जेणी मोडला ताज्याच कडल्यान रिकवरी करतलो. सगळ्याची इन्क्वायरी करपाक लायल्या. फाल्यां सकाळच्यान चीफ सेक्रेटरी A to Z जितके जाण इन्वॉल्व आसा ह्या मॅटरांत त्या सगळ्याची इन्क्वायरी करतलो आनी इन्क्वायरी केल्या उपरांत ज्याचेर कोणाचेर एक्शन घेवपाक जाय तो एकूय मनीस म्हाज्या कडल्यान सुटचो ना. त्या स्ट्रिक्टली 100% मागीर तो कोणूय आसूं न्ही 100% त्या मनशांचेर, म्हणजे इवन दो इफ समवन पुलीस ऑफिसर इज ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन दीस जाल्यार ताचेर एक्शन जातली. तांचें म्हणणें एकट्याक धरला न्ही, उरलेल्या 15 जाणांक फाल्याच्या फाल्यां तांकांय अरेस्ट करतले. हांवें जो प्रोसिजर सुरू केला पळय न्हू त्या सगळ्यांचेर एक्शन जातली. आमी हांगा लोक नाचता तशें नाचोंक हांगा येवंक ना. लोक फाल्यां सकाळीं लोक जाय त्या प्रमाणे फाटीं घेतलो. म्हाजे कडली केस फाटी घेवच्यो ना, तेंचेर एक्शन घेवपाक जाय पयलीं. सगळे थंय गुंड येयले तितक्या गुंडांक भितरूय उडयतलो, तेंचेर केस फायल करपाक जाय ती केसूय फायल करतलो. म्हाज्या डिपार्टमेंटाची इन्क्वायरी ती इन्क्वायरी 100% जातली आनी कोण कोण भितर आहा पळय तेचेर जितकी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन जावपाची तितकी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन जातली. ती खंयच कॉम्प्रोमायज जावची ना. लोक कॉम्प्रोमायज जायत, सरकार कॉम्प्रोमायज जायना. ओके, लोक वेगवेगळ्या विशया खातीर कॉम्प्रोमायज जाता, सरकार कॉम्प्रोमायज जावचें ना. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जी डिस्टर्ब जाल्या म्हणजे फाल्यां सकाळीं कितें जाय तें करतले ना, आतां म्हजें कांय ना म्हणटलें परत बरोवन दितलो. नो, दॅर इज नो कॉम्प्रोमायज. त्या खातीर एक्शन जावपाच्या पळय न्हू, त्या 100% सगळ्यांचेर एक्शन जातली. सगळ्यांक तांकां दिसतलें कितें उरलेल्यांक आमी हाडून उडोवचें ना म्हणून. त्या 15 जाणांक सोदता. बेळगांव गेले म्हाजे पुलीस आनी मुंबय बी पुलीस आहा तिकाय बी हाडपा खातीर. त्या ती वॉट एवर द थिंग्स लिगल कायद्यान कितें करपाचें तितकें प्रोसिजर चालू उरतलो.
डीजी वयता सर आनी मातशें हांव ब्रीफ करतलो.
सो आमी आतां कितें मागता जे होम मिनिस्टराक जे तेणेन एश्युरन्स दिल्ले, जे एश्युरन्स पळय आसा, जे बाउन्सर्स पळय आहा गोंयांत तांकां पयला एक दे हॅव टू बी स्ट्रीमलायन्ड. आनी जे पळय जी घर पळय तुटला एंड DGP पळय हितून क्लियरली इनवॉल्ड कसो दिसता, तेन्ना CMान एक्शन घेवचेंच पडटा. नाल्यार कितें जातलें आमच्या गोंयांत? आयज ड्रग्स केस वाडल्या, आयज रेप केस वाडल्या, आयज क्रायम वाडल्या, सगळें वाडलेलें आसा. लोक आतां वील नॉट फॉलो ऑन लॉ. आयज भायले लोक येतले, जाय थंय करतले. आतां IPC कडेन चेंज जाला आसतलो, पूण IPC चेंज जावन न्यू कायदो पास जाल्लो आसा, पूण आयज इम्प्लिमेंटेशनूच जायना. जे रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन एंड प्रोसिजर पळय आसा लेड बाय द कोड तेच फॉलो जायना. जाल्यार लोक भितले न्हय कोणाक तर. म्हळ्यार हें म्हाका दिसता CMान हांव मागता इट हॅज टू सेट अ प्रेसिडेंट. वेन CM हॅज गिवन एश्युरन्स एक्शन हॅज टू बी टेकन. नाल्यार कितें जातलें? गोंयचो लोक म्हणटलो की आयज CMाकूय आयकना पुलीस, म्हळ्यार लोक जाय थंय करतले. एक हायर ऑफिशियल एक इज इनवॉल्ड इन अ क्रायम, म्हाका दिसता इट्स बिकम्स अ व्हेरी सिरियस इशू. म्हाका दिसता हो इशू एसेंब्लीनूय घासपाकूच जाय.
घर बांदपाचो आनी ना बांदपाचो ताजो एक वेगळो विशय आसा. कित्याक खुबशे फॅमिली कडल्यानूय कितें कंप्लेनी फाटीं घेता आनी हें घेता अशें कितें विशय येवपाक लागले. बट आज विशय हो त्या फॅमिली पुरतो उरूंक ना. हो विशय आज गोंयची सामान्य बहुजन समाजाची फॅमिली ही स्वताक सेक्युअर समजता काय ना, आज हो विशय उरिल्लो आसा. आनी आमी पळयता आतां ती पुजा शर्मा एंटिसिपेटरी बेलीक एप्लाय केल्लें आसा. तिका हांगा हाडपाचो अरेस्ट करपाचो कांयच अजून आमकां दिसना. हें
Stakeholders have termed the proposed Goa Tourism Promotion, Management and Regulation Bill 2024 as draconian for the tourism force. The hefty fines proposed in the taxation of food products and everything related to tourism. They said that the bill is totally anti-Goan. Ironically, the bill drafted by the Tourism Department says it aims to consolidate and amend the laws applicable to tourism and to protect, preserve and retain the natural and cultural heritage of the state.
नवो बिल इंट्रोड्यूस करपाचो टुरिजमाचेर. हो बिल आहा पळय तो सारको ड्रेकोरियन आनी सारको एंटी गोवा म्हणल्यार सारको बिल आहा. पयलीं म्हणल्यार मेन म्हणजे हितून हे रेजिस्ट्रेशन आहा पळय, यू हॅव टू रेजिस्टर री-रेजिस्टर टू ईच एंड एवरी हॉटेल, धाकटी टावरना आनी भोसले सारकेले रेस्टॉरंट पासून आहा पळय, चायेचे पासून रेस्टॉरंट आहा पळय, तेंच्यांनी पासून रेजिस्टर करूंक जाय ह्या हितून टुरिजमाक. प्लस इतलेंच न्हू, तांकां ते रेजिस्टर केल्या उपरांत तेंच्यांनी 2% एवरी बील आहा पळय. आमी फाल्यां उठून एक चाया पासून पियाली जाल्यार तेजेर 2% आमी टुरिजम सस्टेनेबल फी म्हणून आमी टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटाक दिवंक जाय. हे गोंयकारांक पयलीं म्हारग जातले. त्याच बरोबर आनी एक तेंच्यांनी हें काडला त्या हितून म्हटलें इव्हेंट रेजिस्टर करपाक जाय. 25 लोकांची समज गॅदरींग जाली जाल्यार टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन रेजिस्टर करूंक जाय. म्हणजे फाल्यां उठून आमचे बड्डे येयले, जात्रा आयली, नाटकां आयली जाल्यार इवन फाल्यां उठून क्रिसमसचे डान्स आहा पळय ते पासून तुमकां रेजिस्टर करचें पडटा. त्याच बरोबर आनी व्हडलें इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणल्यार आमचे टुरिजम फोर्स म्हणून काडटले. दॅट वील एन्श्योर ते तुमचे प्रॉपर्टीन डायरेक्ट घेतले विदावट एनी वॉरंट तुमकां अरेस्ट पासून करूंक फुडें इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक विदावट एनी वॉरंट. धाकटे आतां पळय खंयचे लँड स्कॅम बी जातले पळय त्या हितूंतल्यान ड्रायव जातली. तुमकां तुमचो जागो खाली करपाक जाय जाल्यार तुमचे रेडी मारतले, तुमकां त्रास करतले, पुलीस घालतले पळय ते आतां टुरिजम फोर्स म्हणून करतले. इज पॅरलल टू पुलीस. दे हॅव सेम पावर्स एज पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट. सेम पावर्स एज हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट, सेम पावर्स एज एक्सायज डिपार्टमेंट, जाल्यार ह्यो उरलेल्यो डिपार्टमेंट आसा कित्याक? आनी मेजर म्हटल्यार आतां ह्या एक्टाचे प्रमाणे तुमकां आमचे टाउट्सांक 10,000 फायन, आमकां 1 ते 10 लाख फायन आनी टाउट्सांक 10,000 फायन.
Another victim, Wilma Cardozo from Kolwa, has accused Kolwa PSI Vibinav Shirodkar and policeman Vikas Sharma of shouting at her. She said 3 lady constables came to her residence and Vikas Sharma caught her hand, snatched her cell phone and £100 and her ATM card and 2 other cards along with the phone. She filed a case against PSI Vibinav and Vikas Sharma with Kolwa Police Station, the Deputy Superintendent of Police and Superintendent of Police of South Goa on 12th May. But no action has been taken. Now she has approached MLA Venzi Vegas to fight her case too.
And there was a slight conflict between family members. And the other lady, she called the police. In no time the police came. There is Vikas Sharma with other police, lady constables had come along with him. And he started calling us to the police station. He started calling me, come to the police station. And when I saw that I can't handle it, I tried to call for help. And I used my phone. I was just about to call someone for help. This Vikas Sharma just caught hold of my hand and he took away the phone. He took away the phone and I requested him to give me the phone back. He said, no, you come to the police station. I want to see you at the police station. And then he started to threaten me. He said, I will see you at the police station. I need you and I will teach you a lesson. And I'll teach you and your family members a lesson. So then this was in the morning, afternoon which occurred. Then later in the evening I went to complain about whatever has happened. I went to complain at the police station and there I tried to take the phone. The PSI Vibinav Shirodkar was there. He told me to take the phone on a condition that I write what he dictates. He told me take a paper and pen and write what he is going to say. For which I said no, I will write whatever was there with the phone. And in the phone, for the phone I had a transparent cover in which I had £100. Bank of Baroda ATM card, a game card and 2 handbills written. And he's saying no, and he showed me, he opened the phone and there was just a game card and 2 receipts. He's saying this is what is there and this is, you have to write what is here, what I say you're supposed to write. And when I tried to give the inward, he refused to take the inward when for the release of the phone. That's when I had to go to the court and get my phone back. The day I got the phone back, it was switched off, so there was no charge. So I charged it and I realized the entire phone was not working. Actually the phone was not working. So I took it to Margaon, got it checked, got to see the phone was reset, formatted and given back to me. So I had to put a fresh new software and get the phone working.
A senior citizen couple was left in the rain and in tears as 4 houses were demolished at Altinio in Panjim on Thursday morning. The couple said they had been living there for 45 years. There are many houses, but only 4 have been targeted. They quoted late Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar as having given them protection. The demolitions have come as a result of court order after they were found to be illegal and on private land.
खबर ना कित्याक ऑर्डर बी आयले मोडपाची तुमकां
पयलीं तर 8 दीस नोटीस हाडून दिले आमकां म्हण जाल्यार तुमी 3 दिसांची 4 दिसांची म्हण जाल्यार तुमकां हें दिवचें पडटलें जाल्यार हांव कितें सांगलें 3 लाख रुपया गोठा भरचे पडटले म्हणून आमकां आनी आमचे पयशे 50,000 दिवन आनी मोडचे आमी आतां
मोडून परत 3 लाख भरचे पडटले
ना
तुमचे घर वाचोवपाक जाल्यार 3 लाख भरपाक सांगलेले वाचोवपाक
म्हण जाल्यार 3 लाख भरचे भरल्या ना 2 दिसात 4 दिसात घर म्हणून न्ही 3 लाख भरचे
कितली वर्ष झाली तुम्ही
45 वर्ष झाली ती घर काढप ना आमच्याच घर काढप
45 वर्षाच्या तुम्ही हांगासर आसा
45 वर्ष
जीवन कामार माझे
सामान दवरू जाऊ ना काय ना इलेक्शनाक मत घाली सर आम काही सांगू ना आमकां खबर ना इलेक्शन पर्यंत आम काही सांगू ना घर काढून समज 8 दिसात आमचे घर काढून सामान गेला 4-5 वर्सांनी घर बांधून आम थोडं करू
आई कोणी नोटीस धाडला कोण
कोर्टांतल्यान भाटकान असं म्हणटा ही सगळी भाटकान हे गव्हर्नमेंटाचे आमचे हे गव्हर्नमेंटाचेच आमचे आसा
केन्नासून रावता तुम्ही? केन्नासून रावता?
45 वर्सांनी हांगा आसा आमी. हांगा कांयच नासले. हे बरेकरान आमकां बिल्डींग बांदून दवरले आमकां. आजून ना. तुमी 60 वरां म्हणटा आमकां घरा हात लावनाका म्हणले बरेकरान.
In a move laced with large political undertones, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant visited former Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar's Harmal Panch Karoshi Shikshan Mandal's college at Arambol in Perne and praised his work as former health minister for introducing paramedical courses. He also praised him as a visionary for building such big infrastructure. He was speaking at the Vidya Sankul Bohm Plateau Foundation stone laying ceremony of the new nursing college building. Sawant offered full support to the college and called on students to prepare for the Staff Selection Commission and the GPSC exams immediately after the 10th standard exams. Interestingly, Parsekar's bête noire, Dayanand Sopte, was also present at the function.
Kerala's special teacher only, congratulating for the headmistress and other staff also. All the way they come from the Kerala हांवें त्याच खातीर सांगलें कारण तांच्यांनी हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आसतना तांच्यांनी वेगवेगळे हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचे कोर्सीस सुरवात केले पॅरामेडिकल कोर्सीस म्हणजे BSc इन ऑप्थॅल्मिक टेक्निशियन BSc in physiotherapy, bachelor in physiotherapy, bachelor in X-ray technician, अशे different courses. Skilled education तांच्यांनी सातत्यान प्रमोट केला आनी तें स्किल्ड एड्युकेशन हें खूब म्हत्वाचें आसा. एखादो लिडर वेळ पडलो जाल्यार एकदा फॅक्टरी घालता. ती फॅक्टरी घालतना तो कितें म्हणटा की आपूण एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिता पण एम्प्लॉयमेंटाच्या पेक्षा म्हाका फायदो कितें जातलो हो ताचो पळोवपाचो उद्देश आसता. पण सरान एखादी फॅक्टरी घालूंक ना. सरान स्किल एम्प्लॉयमेंट तयार करपाची फॅक्टरी सुरू केल्या म्हणपाक काय हरकत ना. So you people are the skilled people.
Villagers had a miraculous escape on the busy Workoto village road in Sangay when a coconut tree fell down when there was a slight wind. It brought down 3 electricity poles along with it, with the live wires falling on the road. The villagers insisted that they had asked the Sangay municipality to cut all the old coconut trees by the roadside, but their pleas were ignored. A car just passed by minutes before the coconut tree and the poles came down.
असा वर्कटो सांगे हे भागाक आनी हो एक वाडा आसा जे जाग्यार एक माड पडोवन लायटीचे खांबे डॅमेज जाल्ले आसात. 3 लायटीचे खांबे डॅमेज जाल्ले आसात. सध्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाचे जे लोक आसात लायटमॅन आसात ते हांगा येवन जे वायरिंग आसा जे सारखे करतात. 3 खांबे जे सामकेच आड पडलेले आसा. हे लोकांचे म्हणणे आसा की अशी कितलीशीच झाडां आसा माड आसा तेजी कागाळ मारपाक जाय म्हणून तेणी म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन केल्ली आसा पण म्युनिसिपालिटी हेजे दुर्लक्ष करता अशें तेंचें म्हणणें आसा. तशेंच आतां वायरी सगळ्यो पडलेल्यो आसा. पयलींच पावसाक लागून हे गांवांनी जी लायट आसा ती पयलींच आसना आनी आतां हे खांबे मोडल्यान खंय तरी परत एकदा एक थोडे दीस लायट येवपाची शक्यता ना अशें दिसून येता. तर हे लोकांची डिमांड आसा हे जे स्थानीक लोक हांगा आसा तेंची डिमांड आसा की जाता तितले बेगीन ही जी झाडां आसात हे माड आसात ते खंय तरी म्युनिसिपालिटीन मारपाचे. तशेंच परत एकदा अशें खांबे पडोवन अशी डॅमेज ही जावपाक पावपाना.
मातशी वार मारलो आनी माड लायटी खांब्याचेर पडलो आनी 3 खांबे लायटी खांबे मोडले म्हणटकीर मातशें हिंगा बारीक इश्यू जाल्यार लोक खूब जमलो आनी चुपाक लागले फक्त. आनी हांवें मागीर इश्यू केलो अशें म्हणून याद कितें करपाक काय म्हूण काडलें आनी मागीर लोक हिंगा जमलो म्हणटरी म्हज्या घरा तेका एक लायटी खांब मोडून सकयल पडला आनी तो आमच्या घराचें पळय घर डॅमेज जावपाचें.
कोणाक रस्त्यान वयता लोक बीन
ह्या रस्त्यान लोक वयता येतात भुरगीं ट्युशनाक वयताय आनी रनिंग बरें चालू आसता ह्या रस्त्यान वचपाक येवपाक.
सो कोणा मार बी लागोना
ना कोणा मार लागना कांय जालें ना. डॅमेज जाल्यार फक्त लोकांक अशें करून खांबे मोडून पडले सकयल आनी सरी तुटले.
हिंग अकस्मात आमी भितर बसून आसली सगळे आवाज येलो चयल्यार थिंग मुखार एक माड पडला आनी तिनू आमी लायनीन पडले सगळी सोरी बीन रस्त्यार पडलो आसलेली आनी ते माडाक मार म्हूण केन्ना सांगलोले कोण आयकना. कावन्सिलरा सगळ्यांक सांगलें कितले फावटी सांगलें.
ओके आनी अशे रस्त्यार कोणी नासलेले खांबे पडले तेन्ना बी
तेन्नाच गाडी गेल्यो तेंगे बीन काम चलता तेंगेली एक कोण येयलो ती तेन्नाच गाडी गेल्ली तेन्ना पडली ते सगळे आमी कोणाचे पडना म्हणून बसले.
Though Taligaon boasts of broad roads, community halls, towering buildings and is virtually an extension of Panjim city, the marketplace remains dirty and congested, villagers say. Until recently, there was no toilet for women. The gutter water flows below the market. The market is a small, congested shed where local fishermen and vegetable vendors, mostly from the SC and the ST community, sell their homegrown produce.
Some residents said the fake promise of a new market is being dished out every year. The issue is discussed at every Gram Sabha. The Montserrat couple is in power for the last 20 years, yet no new market complex has come up in Talegaon, save villagers. Vendors are scared to talk for fear of being targeted.
ह्यो सिट्युएशन इतलें वायट हा की त्या जागोच ना तांकां ती बायलां भायर बसता आनी भायर बसून पासून तांकां शेड ना टॉयलेट ना सारकी तांकां टॉयलेट वचपाक जाय घरान वचपाक जाय आनी यू नो दे हॅव टू मस्ट ट्रॅवल सो दिस इज अ कायंड ऑफ सिट्युएशन दॅट दीज लेडीज आर फेसींग एंड पयल्यार म्हणून न्हू फेक प्रॉमिसीस केन्ना आतां ग्रामसभान आमी इतले पाटी रेज केला इशू की पंचायत घर जाय कितले मॅनिफेस्टोन सांगला की बाबा आमी एवरी इयर ते काडटा आनी सांगता वी वील बिल्ड अ न्यू मार्केट न्यू तालिगांव मार्केट एवरी 5 वर्सां काय जायत वयता आनी परतून ते म्हणटा वी वील बिल्ड इज इट सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर आर MLA एंड हीज वायफ और हजबंड बिकॉज यू नो दॅट्स अ कपल जोडी तांकां इतले डिफिकल्ट हा 20 वर्सां जाली दे आर इन पावर आनी एक तालिगांव बरो मार्केट करपाक जायना तांकां वेर देर इज अ विल देर इज अ वे जागो आसा पूण करपाक हांव नको कित्याक टायम लागता पयशे हा पंचायती कडेन करपाक पूण विल पावर जाय करपाक एंड दिस इज वन सिट्युएशन दॅट वी सी डे इन एंड डे आउट कंटिन्युअसली दॅट द लेडीज हू आर सफरींग ओवर दे आनी गेल्यार पासून न्हू ते बियोंड हा दे वील नॉट स्पीक
येता आमी लोकल कितें मेळटा म्हणून आमी येता पूण कितें ती बसता ती पळोवंक बरें दिसना न्ही आमकांय थिंगा वचोंक बाबा अशें हाडटा सगळेंच डेवलपमेंट जाल्लें आसा आनी मार्केटींत जावचो म्हणून आमकां दिसता अशें ती बसची आनी उमेदीन आमी येवपी पूण जागो जाय न्ही जागो जावचो बरें पडटलो
पूण ज्या तरेन ही बायलां इतले वर्साच्यान बसता तांकां एवरी टायम बाजार बांदून दिता
लागून दिसता तांची बसता ती पळोवन तांकां पोटाक लागून ती येतात कशी तरी बसून पूण आमी दिसता आमकां तें जाल्लें जाय
तुमी मागता एक नवो मार्केट जावपाक जाय
सगळेंच डेवलपमेंट जाल्लें पळय आसा तालिगांव प्लेग्रावंड ना बिल्डिंगां ऑल द सायड डेवलपमेंट इज देयर वाय नॉट मार्केट ऑल्सो शूड बी देयर वी ऑल्सो फील नायस न्हू आतां सगळ्याकूच डेवलपमेंट जाल्लें आसा.
Even 5 milliliters of water can breed hundreds of dengue mosquito eggs. After the death of a 5-year-old girl child in Rumdamol, the Health Department, through its core group of National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program and Directorate of the Health Services, did a joint inspection of the Rumdamol-Daworli area, which comes under the Primary Health Center of Kutori. The area comes under Housing Board, the Comunidad and the Rumdamol-Daworli Village Panchayat, and hence no action has been initiated.
ती आसा कोर कमिटी म्हणून म्हणजे आमी खंय आमकां प्रॉब्लेम आसा खंयच्या एरियान आमकां प्रॉब्लेम आसा लास्ट टायम आमी कन्स्ट्रक्शनाचेर प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो थंय गेली ताच्या पयलीं आमकां हाजेर IDC इन द युनिट्स स्क्रेपयार्ड वी हॅड प्रॉब्लेम बट नाव we realized that there is a problem in Rumdamol because of the garbage and unfortunate incident has also happened here in this area just facing this. So amka popa dashile actually health officer he has written so many letters to the collector this panchayat and but now we have realized that some of the area is of the housing board which we were not aware. So now we are going to issue the health officer of Purtori will issue this to the housing board. There is panchayat also, there are a lot of houses which have been come, tenants are there and the doors are locked, so we do not know whether there are any barrels inside which open which are open which could be breeding, and there is a lot of garbage and all thrown here where there could be collection of this rainwater and for dengue little even 5 ml of water is enough to breed and we can get hundreds of eggs in that mosquito can lie and that may be a lot of cases. And here since there is a lot of clustering congestion in this area of people staying, we can get an upsurge because dengue happen, the cases don't happen isolated, they always happen in clusters.
Group of the National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program from DHS is here for a site inspection. The core group has been tasked by the Health Secretary to conduct time to time inspection where there are serious problems. And we have come here today in the background of the fact that a 5-year-old girl had expired to be considered to be a suspected dengue case. Now, as we have seen today, there are multiple issues. Issues in the sense there are the land where I am presently standing in the background. Part of it is with Komunidad, part of it is housing board, part of the panchayat. So we are here to look at what can be done, what needs to be done. And our recommendations from this inspection will be go so that the appropriate authorities first are petitioned under Public Health Act as to what is their responsibility and jurisdiction. Based on that, after 30 days, we will again take the follow-up. We have also seen here there are many people living in small rooms. There are chicken places operating on the footpath. Now, these are things that Panchayat has to act on. Therefore, we are looking forward that Panchayat in the next fortnightly meeting also will address the issues. But it is becoming very clear that if there is garbage and dump like this all over the place, abandoned vehicles, etc., it is not a shocking and surprise to see that this kind of a incident has happened where a poor child has lost her life.
The IMD of Goa has said that the rainfall for Goa in June 2024 was normal compared to June of last year, which was deficient. This June, Sankali has received the highest rainfall, followed by Sangay, while Perne has received the lowest rainfall. The forecast for the season is above average due to La Nina effect, the IMD said.
India Meteorological Department has declared advance of southwest monsoon over Goa on 4th June 2024. If we just calculate the June month rainfall, we can see that the rainfall is in the normal category over the state Goa, with the highest amount of rainfall is happening in the Sankling station in North Goa district, and second highest we are receiving at Sangam station, and the least amount of rainfall as a total in the June month we have received in the Pernem station of Pernem Taluka. If we calculate the June month rainfall for the year 2023, we can see that the rainfall was under deficient category, but this year we are seeing it is in the normal category, and at that time the highest amount of rainfall in 2023 was reported in the station Margao, and the least amount was reported in the station Valpoi. Now today, 4th of July 2024, IMD has declared an orange alert over Goa for the possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall for the day 1, and we are expecting isolated places heavy rainfall activity in the coming days. So the warning color is given in yellow, and based on the situation and the weather features, we will be upgrading. Any upgraded warning will be disseminated through our social media as well as website.
Yeah, ये वर्षा rainfall is actually very high as compared to last year. And 2-3 things are actually, one is the intense as a couple of intense rainfall, extreme rainfall events asile. Aneka ये वर्षा हमका last year हमका El Nino asile. El Nino लागून आमचे पाऊस कमी asile in the month of June.
Okay.
This year आमचे neutral El Nino asa and neutral Indian Ocean dipole asa.
Okay.
Taka दुनियाका लागून आमचे rainfall चड आसा. आणि 5 स्टेशनार 1000 मिलीमीटर चड आसा.
Okay. So coming days rainfall म्हणजे किती
actually from July till September, the coming months will be, you will have much more rainfall because a phenomena called La Nina is going to come over the eastern equatorial Pacific.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on YouTube, Facebook and X. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.